Hello everyone, in this video we will continue with the tourism. Earlier we discussed about what is the tourism and tourism definition and what the types and form of the tourism we discussed in the earlier video. Now we will continue with the history of travel and tourism and the importance and the nature of tourism. So travel is old as mankind is traveling on the earth. The man at the beginning of his existence roamed around from one place to another place for searching the food and shelter for and we can say better habitat. However, in the course of time, such movement were transformed means the evolution to happen into a wanderlust means during the traveling. About 500 years ago, changes in climate and devouring food, shelter condition, hostile invaders made the people leave their homes to seek refuge elsewhere. Like the Aryans left their homes in Central Asia due to climate changes, perhaps the lead to the development of commerce and trade industry. During the Hindu and Chinese civilization, a movement of religions, education, and the culture began. The Christian missionaries, Buddhist monks traveled from each other to carry with the religious message for the people and return to their with the fantastic image and the opinion about the people and the culture of other countries. For century movements of people continue to grow due to efficiency and of transport and the assistance and the safety which people could travel. By the end of the 15th century, Italy had become intellectual and cultural center of Europe. It represents the classical heritage both for the aristocracy and intelligence. During the 16th century, the travel come to be considered as an essential part of the education of everyone young Englishman. Travel thus become a mean of self of development and education in a broad sense. The education travel is known as a grand tour. The Industrial Revolution in the European culture brought the significant change in the pattern of the pattern and the structure of the colonialism of the British era. Thus, the economy of Britain was greatly responsible for the beginning of modern tourism. It also created a large and prosperous middle class and impact because of the great improvement in the transport and we can say the improvement in the industrial revolution was as in more than over and the 18th century and at the first quarter of the 19th century, increasing number of people began to travel for pleasure. Travel was originally inspired by the need for surviving and the desire to expand the trade and quest of conquer. The transport system improved the curiosity for the transforming the vast and virgin world into the classic neighborhood creating travel and tourism. However, the development of the rails, roads, and cruise automobiles have to spread the technology across the global. Earlier travel was very privileged for the wealthy people, means those are rich with they only can travel. But after the industrial revolution, the scenario going to be changed. The transportation as well as the accommodation being affordable to the working class people and the middle class also. Essentially, with the development of the jet travel and communication and new technology with the 19th and 20th centuries, a major of part giving the world's largest and fastest growing industry. Travel and tourism recently has emerged as a dominant economic force on the global sense and on the country level also. The total world trade also are growing 12% on the growing rates annual. So that is the history means how the people are motivated and the industry pushed the travel and tourism industry to more and more. Okay, now we'll talk about what is the nature of the tourism industry. Tourism is a social economic phenomenon comprised with the activity and experience of the tourists and visitors away from their home environment and serviced by the travel and tourism industry and host destination. Social economy means people always have their own to exchange of their custom and tradition and the the social ethnics and the economic as well as because of the we spending where their money is involved, the economy also is involved in that. So the sum of the total this activity experience and service can be say as the tourism product. The tourism system can be described in a term of supply and demand. Tourism planning should be strive a balance between demands and supply means because whenever we demand people so we have to supply so we can earn our revenue to be boost our economy. This requires understanding not only for the market characteristic and trends but also planning process to meet a market needs also. Often tourists form core generating market are identified as the demand side, but the supply includes all the facilities which are providing the okay programs and attractions. Program that means the whatever culture program in the happening in the region, or attraction means what are the monuments are there. So designed to manage for visitor means to try to give the motivation to visitor to visit. This supply side factor may be under the control by the private and the non-profit organization, also maintained by the government as well. New and the innovation formed for the partnership also involve the sustainable development and the management of tourism. The sustainable development is also need for the today's scenario, because of the we have to look for other resources also. Okay, so try to limit the resources and give the more and more efficiency or more and more things to the visitor. The supply and demand side can be seen be linked by the flows of resources such as capital, labor, goods and tourist expenditure. Okay, in the addition of some tourist expenditure, it may well leak back into the visitor generating areas through the repartition of the profits of foreign tourist investors and payment of the improved goods and service provided to the transport tourist at the destination. Transport provides the important linkage to them. Uh, Tourism system is both it's like dynamic and the complex due to the many factors are linked to each and other, and because of existence of many sectors contributing to more complexity to economy. These factors and sectors are linked to the provision tourist experience and generation the tourism revenue in markets. Okay, it is now accepted that tourism development no longer can be isolated work in the environment, because it involved local communities and social and cultural consequences which is directly impact on the economy. The importance of the tourism. Okay, tourism and hospitality, which are inseparably linked to each other, are major revenue earning industry, and they happen to be among the good employer to the okay people. Has been a upmarketed trend in a tourism over the last few decades, as the people traveling from business and whatever their motive is. So that the several business activity also related to the tourism, the industry are tremendous potential to generating employment. Okay. The first point of importance is the employment generation. It creates a large number of jobs among the direct service providers, as a hotel, tour, tourism and travel agencies. Infrastructure development. Tourist infrastructure development give the important, because of commercial places or destination, any location would require to all necessary infrastructure. To develop the tourist, we have to develop the tourist spot, and to that we have to be put more capital, or we need to develop the infrastructure. Foreign exchange. The people who travel to other from one country to another country, they have to be give the large amount of the accommodation and transportation and other shoppings also. So that is the inbound tourists get the important source to foreign exchange for the country. So in the recent year, there are the few setbacks in the tourism, such as terrorist attack or the natural disasters, which is affect the tourism for a while, but not for the whole. Because with that we have to be, the to be a very continuous process, and in itself people love to travel, and there are have many motives to travel, so that is not a big issue. But the whole impact of the tourism is more important, because it's boost our economy, creating employment. Okay, so it helps in the infrastructure development. That is the importance of the tourism. That's all in this video. Thank you.